as I'm standing here, there's so many people just walking by and things, and the only thing they could do is just admire the clouds, admire how beautiful this day is. I don't even care if it sounds corny or cheesy or cringe, but it's honestly just way more fulfilling and beautiful and cool than just watching a bunch of YouTube videos. And the fact that I'm way more appreciative of this now and grateful that I can see this in my life. But 1 or 2 years ago, I would just play video games. I wouldn't even look outside. My curtains would be closed the whole time. If you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just love sharing these amazing views with you, I guess. And if you like the environment I'm in, consider subscribing, because I post videos like these every single day to really try to help you get better. It's honestly just speechless. Just look at this, bro. There's so many things can suck in life, but if you can be grateful, you're always gonna feel good. You're always gonna have a great outlook on life, man. Honestly, really be grateful for where you are right now, bro. Like that math test, it doesn't matter if you have this, bro. That girl that you don't really care about even, it doesn't even matter, bro. I swear, every time I look at a view like this, you always just think deep about things. You never think about what that one kid said to you in that math class you don't care about. You just think about your life. You only care about the things that are valuable to you. Your family, your friends, the meaning of life. I feel like if you can go outside more, try to seek what that meaning is, you'll fill your life with more purpose, more meaning, and you'll be happier. Because as soon as you start going out more, as soon as you stop living in your little cave, being all caught up in your videos and books, because I was like this for so long, bro. I'm sorry if I'm rude or this comes off as kind of weird, but I just wish I heard this, because if I just was more grateful for every single day and knew every day was a chance to get better and actually try to get better. Don't just say that, but actually do something about that. Bike around or go outside and enjoy what life has to come. Because there's so many opportunities available, and I've learned so many things over the past weeks of me going outside instead of staying inside all day when I come home from school, that it's honestly priceless. I've learned so much and have experienced so much experiences that it developed me way more than watching a million YouTube videos or books. So try going out more and doing more things in your life, bro, because it's so easy to just pretend to be productive when you're just on your computer. The second you come home from school, just eat something and watch YouTube videos. Really try to do something in your life, and I hope you can think about this the next time you're bored or don't know what to do, and really just admire the small things in life. Even though the sky's pretty big, but admire the small little touches in life, like the clothes that you have, the smile that you have on your face, the nice hair you have, the nice sky. Just admire those small things. Like how I'm getting smaller right now. So anyways, I hope you can think about this. If you want to be surrounded with people who are just like us, join that link in the description to the like-minded club, where I'm in there, hundreds of other people in there, and it's a pretty sick place to be. If you want me to coach you on quitting bad habits like video games, relapsing, eating junk food, click that link in the description as well, and have an amazing rest of your day. Do something cool. Enjoy the nice places that you're able to go to. That's literally walking distance. So I'll see you later, bro. Peace. Bye-bye.